Will you mourn over a marriage that's over? A job that's gone? A house that's been removed? A girlfriend that left? A boyfriend that left? How long? How long will you be angry and guilty and frustrated and bitter and build your whole life around something that is dead? There are some times in your life that you got to get up, wash your face, change your clothes, go on with your life. Life is too short for you to hang around the cemetery grieving over who didn't want you, who left you, who denied you, the job you didn't get, the business you lost, the house that you didn't close on. You cannot spend the rest of your life. How long?